Alright my friends, this is pretty wild breaking video. This is body cam footage released by Fox News right after the shots were fired at Butler Farm Show at the Trump rally. As I'm about to show you, somebody was by the water tower and escaped on a bike or some sort of motor scooter as cops are pointing their weapons at the roof. Watch this clip very carefully. You could see someone leaving the water tower area without being stopped by anybody. Who is this person? This is probably one of the most important videos you're gonna see on the Trump rally shooting. Unbelievable. Check this out. Alright, and final thought here, for those of you that know about the motorcycle that was parked in that parking lot, it's still there. So this is not that motorcycle, that Harley Davidson with that man that was wearing the "Don't Tread on Me" towel. That was my first thought when I saw this, but then I realized the motorcycle's still there. So once again, who is this person? This is very important. We need to find out who this is. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.